Hello guys, welcome to the Sketch channel. Now this video is a follow-up of the article that we recently uploaded on Facebook, and over there we discussed this very interesting topic, that is how to look at the left hand side of an object by drawing to the right hand side of your plane. Right. So what we're going to do now is we're going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now you can either follow along on Procreate, or you could do the same thing on paper with the pencil and a ruler. So let's get started. Now the first step that you're going to do is to decide the horizon line. So let me draw a horizon line. Right. And then I'm going to decide a vanishing point. So my vanishing point could be somewhere here. Now, once you have decided your vanishing point and your horizon line, the next thing you have to do is decide how wide the object is going to be. So here, I'm going to draw two reference lines, and this will show me how wide my object can be. Now, as you can see in 1-point perspective, the object will get smaller as you move closer to the vanishing point. So as you move closer to the vanishing point, the object is going to get smaller. Now let's decide the length of the object. So I will start my object from here and I will end it, say, here. Right, so already you can see a two-dimensional shape being formed. Right, you have this two-dimensional shape that we have formed. Now we need to convert that to 3D. So the next step is we have to now decide what height we want the object to have. So for that, we will draw a vertical line from here and a vertical line from here. Right. Now, the next step is you need to draw an imaginary line from the vanishing point to these height lines, as we call them. Right. And using this as a reference, we will finish off the object. Right. Now close the ends as shown, finish the object. Right. Now automatically you can see that we have made a box in 1-point perspective. So that is one more thing that we have learned. And also, if you assume that this is your line of sight, so if you are standing here and you're seeing straight ahead, this side is the left hand side of the object. So that is why you have to draw to your right if you want to see the left hand side of the object, and vice versa. So if you wanted to see the right hand side of this box, you will have to draw it here. Over here. So there we go guys, it's a simple tutorial. You can follow along, as I said, on Procreate. You can follow along on a piece of paper with a pencil. Either ways, it's simple. We've learned two things in one, and with that I will see you in the next session. Thank you.